Hello guys. Today we will discuss about with distinct recipe. So last video we discussed about with stack recipe. So stack recipe I have done two order data sets I have stacked. So two order data sets means same data I have stacked. So some duplicated data is there. So in orders data set actual records are 26,552 records. If I check with uh, this stack recipe, order stack, in order stack, I have double the records, 53,104. If you look into some of the records also, we'll look. For example, if I search with copy to clipboard, filter, white t-shirt M, okay. So just look into this, some of the appended records here in customer ID, filter, customer ID list. So in the list, if I select this particular record, if you look into this 163607 duplicated records, okay. So out of this, we will initiate with the distinct recipe. Based on the distinct recipe, we will get the unique records. Let's look into this one. For example, in order stack, select the order stack. After order stack, I will select with the distinct recipe. So here in the right side, visual recipes under distinct recipe is there. So select the distinct recipe. So by default output dataset name is given and click on create recipe. In this, we have two modes is there in distinct recipe. First option called as remove duplicates on all columns. So irrespective of the particular column, entire data set is to be applicable to the remove duplicates. So let's see the output. Later we'll see find distinct values, or else now only we'll discuss about this option. Find distinct values of a subset of all columns means, for example, if we want t-shirt category, so only t-shirt category unique records will give, or else based on order date, based on PS visited, or else so based on customer ID and t-shirt category, based on customer ID, t-shirt category, t-shirt quantity. So this way, whatever the need, whatever the requirement we have, so those particular columns we had to select here. For example, if I select with t-shirt category, so only t-shirt category is available and click on run. If I opt as remove duplicates on all columns, uh, irrespective of the column, entire data set is to be selected. Click on run. You'll see the result. So job is running. Okay. You have succeeded. Go back to flow and see the result. So distinct recipe. So earlier in the orders stack data set, 53,000 records is there. So actual records are 26,552. So that records are get back. And let's see the other option. Here in distinct recipe, find distinct values of a subset of all columns. For example, if I select with this option, I select with t-shirt category and here buttons is there. Just if you click on the greater than symbol, uh, just click on. So the t-shirt category is added here and run. You will see only one column of the data. Okay, in the entire data set, t-shirt category only visible. Okay, go back to flow. and see the result. Out of 53,000 records, we have only 10 rows. So only t-shirt category. So 10 categories t-shirts is there. If I want to select with example customer ID. So I will use customer ID and t-shirt category, run. Now almost 23,000 records we will get because customer IDs are in two datasets common records, right? We'll see the result. Customer ID. Go back to flow. Open the dataset. Yeah. So almost 10,000 records, 21,585. Maybe in orders dataset also some of the customer IDs are duplicated. So those duplicates will be eliminated. Okay. So this is the way distinct recipe will apply in Dataiku. Thank you for watching.